Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the vlog. Groovy vibes all the way. Today is another bowling day. I know you guys really dig that video, so we're doing it again. And hey, guess what? Guess what we have? What's up, dude?
What's going on?
What's up?
What's up?
Yo, big ups.
What's up?
Yo.
What's up?
Yo.
What's up?
Anyways, we're at the Gardena Bowl. It's a classic place. It's been here since what, 48?
48.
And we got the socks, guys, because of course I always wear sandals. So let's get in there. Let's get some strikes going, all right? I gotta say, it is so hot. It is like crazy hot out here.
Right, cool.
Can you believe that? Can you believe how hot it is? Oh, check it out. Welcome.
Welcome.
Yo, welcome, yo.
88 degrees, 90 degrees.
It feels hotter.
It's hotter than that, yeah.
Oh.
No mask.
Yeah, no mask, huh? No mask, no mask. No mask. Alright, we're in here. Oh man, it's crowded on a Thursday? Oh, this is how it used to look back in the day.
See that?
Yeah, that's how it used to look. Yo, what are you even doing, dude? You know what you do? We got the shoes. Oh, look at that. Look how it's done.
Yeah.
Vending machines, huh?
Like that?
Why you like Sprite?
You
Why
want
you like
soda?
Sprite?
You want
Dude, what's
soda?
wrong? Stick it in, dude. There we go. Oh, remember SpongeBob? He's like, no, Patrick, no, Patrick, no. Patrick, no, don't do it, Patrick, no. Remember that? Remember that?
Look at this.
And then he's like, remember he pushed it in? Remember that?
Look at this.
Wow. All right, we're putting the socks on with the shoes. Let's go pick out our balls. What is this one? Oh, that's a little, yeah, no, that's not gonna work. I like that 9 I used the other time. Oh, is it? Where's the 9s? Alright, we're putting in our names right now. You know how to spell my name?
Hey, dude.
Alright.
It doesn't show your full name, dude.
Alright, here we are. Lane 2. Weren't we here last time on this one? Wow, that's a good way to start, huh? That's a good way. Wow, okay. Alright, we got Nathan right here. Alright, here we are. Let's see it. I think I went over the line. Maybe my shoes are too big, huh? That's terrible. So the whole thing just counts? Alright, it did count. Alright. Let's see what big boy Mike can do. Oh, I was like, again? There you go, you got the spare. Let's see it. Alright, here we go. See it. Big boy Michael's doing pretty good, huh? Good. Wow, doing pretty good for first game. Alright, let's see what he can do here. Let's see if we can get the spare. Oh! In. Throw that ball. Oh, he threw it, huh? He chugged it.
Still got him down.
No.
Still got him down.
in the middle. What was that? Let's see if you can knock them all down for the spare. Oh, went to the right. Nope, no. You can get the split. Oh my god. Legendary purple balls right here. Let's see what we can do.
Got that.
You got that?
I got that.
Oh, you see how I rolled over? Oh! Hey, who's filming?
I can't let this guy win.
Wow! This might be my best game. Wow, 150. That's my best game right there. Hey, you broke 100 too.
Yeah. All right, ready? Game 2.
Wow. No, we're done. That's it. That's the best game. I don't know if I can beat that, but we'll try a second game. Let's do it. Start the. All right. Got the spare. All right, here we go. Start the second game. Let's see what happens. I got scared. I didn't know it was gonna come down. Game 2, 136. And you got the same score as last, dude. You did it again, dude.
We'll play the next game.
You gotta beat that.
You gotta beat that.
All right, next game. All right, last game. Let's see it. Man, getting so sweaty out here. Whew. It's a workout. Especially my hand. Yeah, good way. That's a good way to start.
What happened?
Time to get that spare. Cheat. sweaty out here now. I'm really feeling it. Update, guys. Update, gotta beat this guy. Oh, what was that? Are you kidding me right now? How could you be doing that after what we've been doing? What was that? Yeah, try another ball. Try another ball. Yeah, that's what he needs. Try a new ball. Chuck it, dude. Chuck it. You got a little ball. Got that spare. Got that spare. We're gonna try out this little ball right here.
It worked out for you, huh?
Get this down. Come on now. I get this down. Yeah, throw the ball, huh? Oh, it worked, it worked, it worked. Yeah. Right on, buddy. Yeah, it worked. Almost fell. Final one. Let's see what happens here. Picking up the blue balls. Let's get the spare. Oh, yo, how'd you get the one in the middle? How'd that happen? Alright, that's it. Oh, hey, you know what? If I would have got that last one, would have beat my last score. Lagging.
112. Went down actually.
Yeah. Statistics.
Went down.
That's my best game right there.
Went down.
Yeah. I kept going down. The ball got too heavy for me. Well, that was bowling. Time to take off these sweaty socks. Look at that. Oh, let's switch over to the sandals. Let's relieve the socks. Let's go return the shoes now.
I'm gonna go to the bathroom and wash my hands.
You gonna go to the bathroom? Oh, we just finished, guys.
Yeah.
We finished. What a bowling adventure, huh? Yeah, it's so hot. Now it's hot out here. Gotta switch over to the sunglasses. You know how it is. I'll put some sunglasses on top of my glasses so we can see. Look at that. Perfect. Let's go find the car, dude. Look. We found the car. We found the car.
Did we find the car?
Yeah, let's get in here.
Did we find the car?
Yeah. Oh. Anyways, so now what we're gonna go do is we're gonna get some refreshing boba to quench our thirst in this heat. Yeah, that's a great idea. Honestly, I want boba balls in my mouth. That's that, right? Isn't that what you want?
Yeah. You
Boba balls in your mouth. Yeah. Yes. Hot hand sanitizer, burning my hand. Absolute. Absolute. We're pulling up to this legendary boba place over here. We're gonna get some balls in our mouth. It's gonna be excellent, guys. That's how it is.
Some balls.
Balls. You know what's crazy about this is there's all these different boba places throughout here. Yeah. All of them. Different ones. And over here is where I got that that Japanese mask. Get the black and 24 karat one over here. Yeah. That's where I got that. But anyways, it's boba time. Right, so we're gonna have to mask up because you know they're gonna start yelling at us. It's gonna be terrible, and especially in this heat. Oh man, I don't know how people can survive when it's like, what, in the hundreds wearing a mask. Oh. Where are we headed to?
Sun Mary Bakery.
I thought it was a boba place.
Yeah. Oh god.
We're trying to figure out what boba we want. There's a lot of different choices. So, anyways, we'll let you know when we get it. So here's the menu. Not sure. There's so many different choices. So I got the green tea. I got confused. I was like, is this sweet or not? But you too? Yeah. You too. Anyways, we'll see how it turns out. We'll see. Boba balls. Here we go. Here we go. See if I do this right.
Yeah.
You hear that? Happy lemon. Cheers. Oh. Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Review check. Let's try it. Let's get some boba in our mouths. Wait, can you see me? I think I got the wrong one. I think I got the wrong one. I mean, I think I got the right one for me, for my health, but I think I got the wrong one that I want. I wanted a milk tea boba, not this. Here, let's trade. Let me try yours. Yeah, okay, you can have that one. You want that one? You like that one better or you like this one better?
Yeah, let's try it. I like this.
Alright, I'll take this one.
Is this balls in it?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, this one's better.
You like that one? You like that one? Alright, that's a fair trade. There we go.
This one's better. Yeah, that one has so much sugar.
Yeah. So there we go. I guess that just worked out perfectly, huh?
It's gone. Look, the Hello Kitty store that used to be here. Sanrio, whatever. Remember that?
Almost choked.
Remember that?
Mm-hmm.
It's gone.
Yeah, shut down. You like that one better? Mm-hmm. Alright. That's fine. Well, there you have it, guys. That is some nice, delicious boba. That really helps with the heat for sure. There you go. Well, guys, we just made it back. Hope you guys dig it. Bowling was fun, you know. You know, the thing is now is we stay in the hundreds. All right, we don't go underneath. We just keep going up. That is the possible way. And I got the best score. All right, remember that. Like, I haven't done that in a long time, years. So that was fun. Did you dig it?
That was fun. Yeah.
We got the boba. Still got balls in here. You guys want to finish my balls? All right, guys. We'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Tell them.
Like and subscribe.
Tell them. All right, guys. Laters. Bowling balls. Yeah, balls for life. You know.